Welcome to our next video of the Financial Freedom video series on Road to Make Your First Million, where we break down essential financial concepts for everyone, from beginners to those with more advanced knowledge. In the last episode, we have already made a personal budget plan for the Patel family where they plan to allocate their earnings under different heads as on screen. The link for the episode is available in the card above and in the video description below. You have already met our young family of Raj, Priya, and their 8-year-old daughter Anya in previous episodes. Today, they are learning how to build a financial cushion for the unexpected.
You know, Priya, I've been thinking, we should start planning for emergencies. We never know when something unexpected might happen.
I agree, Raj. It's time we create an emergency fund for our family.
So, what exactly is an emergency fund? It's money set aside to cover unexpected expenses, like medical bills, car repairs, or even a job loss. It's there to protect you from dipping into your savings or going into debt when life throws you a curveball.
So Priya, how much should we save for our emergency fund?
Raj, experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. That should cover most emergencies.
So, how do you figure out the right amount? Simply calculate your monthly expenses, food, rent, utilities, and multiply it by 3 months. That's your target in the beginning. Commit 10% of earnings to build a corpus, as we have discussed in our earlier video on personal budget. Later revise this target to 6 months. Now, let's talk about where to keep your emergency fund. It should be in a place that's easy to access, but not too tempting to spend. Consider a high-yield savings account like bank fixed deposit or saving in liquid funds, or open a separate savings account with your bank.
Raj, I am opening a separate savings account just for emergencies. That way, it's easy to track and won't get mixed up with our day-to-day spending.
Listening to Priya, Anya asked in excitement if they will be using the money for something to enjoy, like a vacation, to which Raj answered,
Not this time, Anya. The emergency fund is for real emergencies only. Like if we face a health issue or a big car repair.
Exactly. It's not for shopping sprees or a new gadget. It's for life's surprise.
The key to an emergency fund is using it wisely. Only dip into it when a true emergency arises. Things like medical bills, home repairs, or losing a job are situations where your emergency fund should come into play. In the next episodes, we will discuss 2 of the major emergency situations, which need to be dealt with, before we move further. With their emergency fund in place, Patels feel more secure, knowing that they're ready for whatever life brings. It's a small step, but one that makes all the difference in securing their financial future.
By building our emergency fund, we're giving our family the peace of mind we need to handle life's unexpected events. It's the first step in our financial planning journey.
It's never too late to start. If we can do it, you can too.
Building an emergency fund is a great place to begin your financial planning journey. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be prepared for whatever comes your way. Share a comment from your own experience and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and advice.